Now we're going to learn how to set up a Google extension called Read and Write. You will go basically into your apps and over to the Chrome Web Store. You'll type in Read and Write and hit enter, and it's going to show you a list. The purple Read and Write is the Read and Write extension for Google Chrome. I've already added it to mine, but basically you'll just click add to Chrome and it will add the extension, and you'll see the puzzle piece with the RW once you've loaded it. I'm going to open a document now from Docs to kind of give you an example of how you can use it. Basically, once you click on the purple Read and Write, it brings up the extension. The toolbar. The first one is prediction. That is where the software predicts the next word you may want to use. So you click on that and you type, once upon a time there was a dog. Every time you punch in the first letter, it gives you an option. This is great for students who have a hard time formulating sentences or maybe putting thoughts together. This is a big help to them. Next, you have the dictionary. When you highlight a word and press dictionary, it will give you the verbal definition of the word. If you highlight the word and press picture dictionary, which is next, it actually gives you a visual. So for those students that maybe need more than just the word, they actually visually need to see it because they're visual learners, it will give them a picture. Next, you have what is called your text-to-speech. It will read the text on the page and then allows you to pause and stop as it goes. So you would highlight the text you want read and just click play.
Dictionary and picture dictionary. The ability to look up the definition of a word while
you can pause it.
Reading allows students to increase their vocabulary while,
and then just hit stop. Screenshot Reader is something they knew that they've added. It is for certain documents like PDFs, or it's just an OCR reader, or maybe some web pages that for some reason the regular speech to text or whatever doesn't work. You can use this extension to highlight the information you want read. So you just press on it, and basically whatever you highlight, Screenshot Reader will then read.
The domestic dog, Canis lupus lamellarius or Canis lamellarius, one is a member of...
And you just press it again to turn it off. Most of these are toggle switches. Press on, press to be off. The next one is the Audio Maker. It just allows you to select text and then convert it to an MP3 file. This is useful if you like listening to a recording of the text at another time. You just select the text and then you press it. And it records it and makes an MP3 file. The next one see if I can get it to play.
The Audio Maker allows the user to select text and convert it to an MP3 file.
See, that's what it did. Next, you have what we call your screen mask. This is great if you're using this feature and projecting it up on a smart board or a screen. Basically, it allows you to focus a strip on just the section you're talking about, and then it darkens the rest. So it's kind of like highlighting just what you want the kids to focus on. So if you're going over things with the kids, allowing them to use this feature, and you say, okay, I just want you to highlight this paragraph here and practice, then it helps you to do that, to focus on that so the kids don't get distracted by the rest of the text. And next you have your talk and type. Basically, that allows you to use your voice to input text instead of typing it on the keyboard. So you would have to have a built-in mic for that. This is great if you want to have the kids read a book or something and record it, or a paper, and then send it to you. So you basically just start talking and it will record what you are saying.